I hope there's nothing happening between Kaizer Chiefs and Shabalala. I really hope ukuthi whatever is happening on his social media, it's because of a campaign ayenzayo, and then izophela campaign, and then sizophinda sibone ithombe zakhe zaku Chiefs nan. And the reason I'm saying this is simply because if there is an issue between Kaizer Chiefs noMdu Shabalala, umuntu ozoluza kule ushileyo uMdu Shabalala. Number one, Kaizer Chiefs is a very big team. The team will continue to exist. Nano uMdu Shabalala seka retire ngasadlala ibhola. The team will continue to exist. How many more uMdu Shabalalas can Kaizer Chiefs have? The list is endless. And now, if vele kamampela uMdu Shabalala khona into eyenzakalayo phakathi kwakhe neKaizer Chiefs, it's going to be an issue for him, because Kaizer Chiefs has been very patient noMdu Shabalala. Kaizer Chiefs actually does love him, and nama supporter we Kaizer Chiefs ayamthanda uMdu Shabalala. They are always behind him. They are always hoping ukuthi uMdu Shabalala uzofika abe lo muntu lokumele ukuthi abe uye, but unfortunately he's just not rising to the occasion. So if ngempela there's a problem happening between these two teams, unfortunately uzosithola adlalele team encane, because I don't think Sundowns would be interested in signing him. I don't think Orlando Pirates would be interested in signing him. So I really do hope ukuthi there's nothing happening between Umdu and Kaizer Chiefs. I just hope ukuthi whatever differences they have, if akona ama difference wakona, kukhona into bazoyilungisa. But mina personally, if you ask me, I think mhlambe kune campaign man kunento azama ukuyipusha, and ama brand because ahlakaniphile bayazi ukuthi no, if wa archive ithombe zakho ze Chiefs la ujima khona ufake khona ikiti nani, a lot of people bazocanga ukuthi kunenkinga when they come to Instagram, Facebook or Twitter yakho, then bazobona zonke lezi zinto lezi, and then you get the reach that you want. So labantu sometimes they are strategic. And words of advice to Umdu Shabalala, personally from me, if he does continue with Kaizer Chiefs, which I still say good, I hope there's nothing happening between the two. Umdu Shabalala bafethu this season, he has to show up. He has to show up, because yabona the way Kaizer Chiefs is busy hunting for these young players, it means trouble for him. And I'll tell you why I say this. There's Mfundo Vilakazi. We already know he looks like the favorite Jaga coach, and it seems as though Mfundo Vilakazi this season is going to be given a chance to prove himself. So the right side is safe. On the left, ulomfana lona asanele Velepai ukona, and we know uVelepai nimbonile na umuntu that has been raising isandla sakhe from last season. If he gets enough game time, he can prove how important he is for Amakosi. Other than asanele Velepai, nangu Langelihle Phili is on his way. Sikhuluma kumanje Langelihle Phili is on his way to ena Cherena uyoyenza medical test ukuthi ajoine Kaizer Chiefs. If Langelihle Phili na bayamsigna now, Langelihle Phili is another left wing, which means that uVelepai no Langelihle Phili, they are competing for their left wing. Umdu Shabala, Mfundo Vilakazi, I don't even think Kono will compete now for a right wing. Then there's Luke Patman, there's Ethan Chislett, and then Kona and Umdu Shabalala as the creative playmaker. There's no way you would start Umdu Shabalala ahead of Ethan Chislett. So maybe these are some of the things you play a little bona guta name competition in ingi. Maybe let me pull a stunt. Mbonisi team guti guys, if nami you don't and it's bonagali so guti nangtanda, you don't guarantee me in the starting 11, you don't guarantee me ukuthi nami ngiyapilonga lana ngizohamba. Maybe those are some of the things lezo mfana zamkuzihinta to Kaizer Chiefs, but no player will ever be bigger than Kaizer Chiefs. The list is endless, Buffett. We've seen players baba nama disputes or rama fallout nama team, and then when those things happen, basic player le hamba canga ukuthi yoshina elsewhere, basic carry vele phela kabhlungu wahamba umunapule saleng thinking that he knows best. He left Orlando Pirates, and makahamba Orlando Pirates wakumamela Sundowns kwenzakalani ngaye. Sharp, he chased a better check. Maybe Sundowns impatala kangcono, but Sundowns is paying him better. Bamshilo ku preseason akafeature kuma game udlala lawo nalawo ama game ama supporters wachaza ukuthi ushaya step over nyana nje sidizi bese bathi Saleng is back, where's he now? So it's important for players to understand ukuthi the franchise will continue to exist when anonymous or retire no masonga seko. It's important to respect the team. It's important to respect the coaches. It's important to respect the management. Kaizer Chiefs is a big brand. That's why nathi Slays is khuluma ngayo kanje Chiefs, because it is a big brand. But ukuyivala le ndaba yakamdu ne Chiefs, I really hope there's nothing happening there. So sibonile sonke iKaizer Chiefs ibonise interest kulo mfana lo Langelihle Phili. They went as far as offering Stellenbosch some money, and then Stellenbosch bathi bona bafuna 16 million. Kaizer Chiefs were willing to pay the 16 million, but the agents have been making it difficult. And then lomfana lo uLangelihle Phili yena self wazikhulumela ku Kevin Hunt wathi no, mina ngifuna ukuyodlalela iChiefs. Now iChiefs ne Stellenbosch FC have finally agreed terms ngalomfana lo. Ashley Dupree is leaving Chiefs. Sakafikile Cape Town is in Cape Town. Khona manje as we speak, Ashley Dupree. And then it could be Msimango, another player bamthumela laphana or a player ku DDC. For me, Sharp Ulangilihle Phili has a lot to offer for Kaizer Chiefs. Uzofita kahle ku Chiefs. Ibola lakhe la isuthi style of play Chiefs. He's young. He's going to be under the leadership of Fernando da Cruz, who looks like he believes in youngsters. But my biggest question, Iwan, is it worth swapping Msimango and you still have Inacio Miguel? Isn't Msimango better than Inacio Miguel? So you want to keep a defender owaziyo ukuthi in 3 games guaranteed une red card. Not even a yellow card, une red card. In 3 games, Inacio Miguel will be injured. Your TJ season, my that game of the season, you're seka ngasadlali, seka injured because he's clumsy, he's rough, udlala ngenhliziyo, nakabona ngathi abantu bayamqeda uyabakapa. I don't understand the love that Kaizer Chiefs has for Inacio Miguel. Instead of ukambisa Msimango, rather take Inacio Miguel and be like, "Hey, Chiefs, nali player, Tatani. I mean, Stellenbosch, nali player, Tatani lo." So understand, I wouldn't mina personally swap lo mfana lo Msimango maqeda lapho ngithola Ulangilihle Phili. You need Msimango. Yes, there were seasons la bekangadlali, there were games la ngadlala ngakhona kahle last season, but we do need Msimango. Msimango is an impact player for Kaizer Chiefs. How many more central defenders do they have? They need his impact and they need a contribution yakhe and they need le role le akayidlalayo lapha Msimango. So rather hambisani Inacio Miguel. And by the way, speaking of Inacio Miguel, lo muntu ufuna contract entsha neKaizer Chiefs Inacio Miguel. It's funny how as izinto zenzeka kwa Chiefs. Inacio Miguel was the initial captain of Chiefs if niyakhumbula. From Inacio Miguel besiliphatha Victor Quinn kaibhande. Nini siliphatha Brendan Peterson. So there's a lot of confusion happening lapha, but Kaizer Chiefs doesn't need Inacio Miguel. He's costed the team enough. Kunini abacosta. Kunalaba dlali finally Nedbank kapha donsa umhawunkotha aqedile sekayokora. You don't need a defender alifana nalelo. He's not even good on the ball. He's very clumsy. The last time bagashisa kule team le Chiefs emthathe kuyo, Kaizer Chiefs just needs to end things naye lo mjitalo. So I'm happy ukuthi Ulangilihle Phili, the move seems as though izoyenzeka, but should the move not happen, it would be because maybe either a player okuswapwa ngaye uzoba kuthi fail a medical test. I want to talk about Ashley Dupree kancane. He didn't offer Kaizer Chiefs anything. For mina ever since adlaleli Kaizer Chiefs Ashley Dupree angibonanga into ayenzile. And it's so sad ukuthi lo mchita lona, the fans believed in him, the coaching staff believed in him, management the Chiefs believed in him, and bamphile ithuba. They gave him enough time ukuthi azproven ukuthi azibonakalise ukuthi he has the potential to be the important player that Kaizer Chiefs needs, to be important in their attack. Bamzamile, they tried him on the wing, they tried him as a striker. Ashley Dupree beka mesa 1-on-1 abhekane nepala bafethu. 1-on-1 abhekane nepala ngisho kunala mesa kungena goalkeeper. A goal that saves the Chiefs, puts them in the game, wins them the game. Beka mesa lawo ma chance lawa. And there was a time when you looked at him, you could see ukuthi he's really disappointed in himself. So I think the move is good for yena. Go back to Stellenbosch where you once had a stellar career. Go back to Stellenbosch la boshisa khona la you used to make things happen, and let's just hope ukuthi izinto zizoba right for yena. It's going to be quite an interesting season to see for Kaizer Chiefs lena, because ngikhulumile na last a lot of injured players. They finally got Nomfana Lono Asanele Velepai, and there's a rumor yokuthi they are trying to negotiate ne Golden Arrows ngalo mshita lo Maxwele. If they get to no Maxwele ngapha bana lo Adolf, then uMabuwe, then Mfundo Vilakazi, then Langelihle Phili, and maybe try to convert to Asanele Velepai to number 10. If I sebenzi take Mfundo, play him as the number 10, and then Asanele Velepai nalo mshita lona Langelihle Phili bazoloke baswapha lapha phambili. Could be an interesting season. Now all that's left is that Kaizer Chiefs goes and signs a striker. Because Sibonile, Igadaro, ufikile ku Chiefs, he was injured for almost all of the season. Flavio Da Silva uyakora ifakakora ukhahlela abantu lapha emuva, but ukora sometimes ukhanyisa mayo angiyazi nokuthi bamrenewelelweni contract. The money that they used to take ukhanyisa mayo on a permanent deal, they could have actually used to go hunt for another striker or go hunt for another player. But izoke zenzakalayo lena. I really hope there's nothing happening between Kaizer Chiefs and Shabalala, because if there is Shabalala is the one that's gonna lose out. And Shabalala does need Kaizer Chiefs more than Kaizer Chiefs needs him. Why I say this? If he stays with team enkulu, Sibonile he featured for Bafana kancane, it means ukuthi fudlala kahle, he has a chance of going back. Kaizer Chiefs new coach, mhlambe he has a new way yokuthi ambonisa indlela and a new way of coaching him, and he could probably grow into one of the brightest prospects for Kaizer Chiefs. So it's not easy of course, adjusting into It's not easy adjusting into a new position as a player, but hey man, it is what it is. Bafethu remember ngkhona ku TikTok, follow me on TikTok Mdusibeko online. Ngicela ungezi if you don't want to have real football conversations. If you don't want to have real football conversations, bakhona abo Michael Morton, bakhona abo SuperSport, hamba nomamela labantu laba bazothi player lidlale kahle lidlale kabi. Hamba nomamela labantu laba babatshelayo ukuthi khuluma kanje. I want to have the conversations that are going to change our football. Join the community, naku YouTube, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'm telling you, this platform is the only one that really cares about football, because usikhuluma lezi zinto lezi abantu abasaba ukuzikhuluma. That's why I'm telling you, I hope there's nothing happening between Shabalala and the Chiefs, because Shabalala is going to miss out. And to the agent yakala ngelihle phila, I want to zizwa kanjani manje, because you were delaying the move yokuthi lo mfana lona eze ku Chiefs. Now that this boy is finally coming to Chiefs, he had to voice out. It's a lesson to other players yokuthi if agent yakhe bayizisa, because ama agent bona they just trying to secure the bag. Ama agent base businessini. You understand? I'm an agent as a business, and my agent only care about the business that they are pushing. So when as a player, it's upon you. Shout out to Langelihle Pili. We need more players like you. Abane voice, abakwazi ukukhuluma basho bathi bafethu mina ngiyahamba ngifuna ukudlalela Chiefs. Go play for Kaizer Chiefs. If you have a stellar season with Kaizer Chiefs, you are AFCON Bafana next year. You stand a chance of still going overseas. And Kaizer Chiefs is a good place for young players to shine and make a name for themselves. If you want to make a name for yourself like South Africa, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, because the Sundowns, it's certain players that can make a name for themselves. Other than that, by our bench, I'm a player. We all know Thapelo Masego. Mamelodi Sundowns are ready to release Thapelo Masego. So just teams need to make an offer. I don't think it would be ingamfanele Chiefs, but bafethu with Langelihle Pili asana level by Shabalala nomfundo Vilakazi. Why would Kaizer Chiefs want to go hunt for another wing? Invest in these guys, make sure go to the improve game yabo. Ubani Papa Joe Mamako, yeah, like I said, indaba yakam Shabalala, nothing has been confirmed yet. All we know is that to delete or archive my posts la dlalela kona Chiefs, and then there was a rumor that he unfollowed the team. He unfollowed them only for him to follow them back. So I don't know what's happening. What I think is happening here is Lomfana Lona, maybe he's either not happy about something or it's a campaign. There's a brand impact so, and since that brand impact now they asked to go to Susa, let the attention so that Lama post to it views. I really do hope there's nothing serious happening, because to be honest with you, Chiefs doesn't even need Shabalala. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't need Shabalala. He hasn't done fuck all for Chiefs Lamfanalo. Chiefs. He's played 100 and something games. What has he achieved with Chiefs? So if he has a problem with Chiefs in Kaizer Chiefs are at a time now where they can't beg players. They are trying to build a squad that can compete. But competition and all those competitions they want to win. This is not the time for Chiefs to be begging players. If players want to leave, they can leave. If players bafuna lenale, they can leave. That's why I said last time, Guti, but why are they keeping Lomfana? Why are they keeping him? Because clearly this guy is injury prone. Season in, season out, yalimala. So yeah, Agagabi next, epumile ngaye agna muntu ukuthi ulimele nanan, but sizobona khona. Aw Neymar JR, aw madoda sijone unima. What are you saying about a police midfield of the season? For me, number one, we said it. If Bafana they consider him a forward, then he's a forward. Angithi nabamregister ku FIFA, they don't register him as a midfield, they register him as a forward. Bafana mayikhipha ilist yesquad esiyodlala iWorld Cup, mabathi forwards, if FIFA considers this guy a forward, so it means that in football he's a forward. So I don't understand how PSL now considers him a midfield. For me, bekumele kunominate uTeboho Mokoena, uTalente Mbatha, either no Marcelo Allende, because those are actual central midfielders. Of course, Teboho Mokoena central defensive midfield, uTalente Mbatha no Allende are central midfielders. And then I would have given it to either Talente Mbatha or Teboho Mokoena. But Mbatha for me had a good season. There were games where Orlando Pirates tried to play without him, they'd lose. Whenever he'd come on, Beba win Orlando Pirates, they had depth, they had a shape in the middle of the park. So I would have given it to Talente Mbatha. Miss Universe, waze wakhuluma kamnandi today. Siyabonga for sharing. Thank you so much, Miss Universe. Thank you for joining us. Fresh up K-Power. Magazi kwibhakaniya thina siyamfuna umuntu manje ku Pirates yoshawa ebench If Shabalala uyaku Orlando Pirates uzoshaya bench, and like I said, I don't think Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns would be interested in him. I don't think he'd live up to the standards. I don't even think he'd deliver for those teams. Ubani Shabalala on bench Pirates, because even Tito is better. As slow as Tito is, he's better than Shabalala. All I know is Matlwele and Pili, they are going to Chiefs. Very good signing. Yabona Leaga Matlwele, very, very good signing for because you see, sometimes Masenza Lama video about to think good we are attacking nan. Azangam suggest to Matlwele for Chiefs. When we make these videos, as is because we bashing Chiefs, we hate Chiefs. We do these videos because we want the best for our football and for our players. Matlwele will shine. He will thrive, good Chiefs. Langelihle Pili will thrive, good Chiefs. Ashley Tupri agabuyele kaya gu. Agabuyele Kaya Stellenbosch FC. That's where he will get enough game time. Kevin Hunt will know how to use him. The Badger Kaizer Chiefs him Sindile. And it happens. There are players Oguguti, they do well when they play for certain teams, but the moment they get signed to bigger teams and they have to perform there, unfortunately they don't rise to the occasion. Ila masebafika kula team lawa makhulu ubona umuntu manje sekane deep in form, sekaba inconsistent nini akakori amagol bekumele ukuthi awakore. So we don't know. So that's why I'm saying that mina I'm happy ukuthi Ashley Dupree I'll make you another example. How many players have Orlando Pirates signed from Mama Mancane makafika la ngadlali? Like uSinoxolo ubani Ukwayiba, although he wasn't given a fair chance at Orlando Pirates, but you could see ukuthi maybe bekunzima for yena nokuthi impress amacoach eJimini, went back to Chippa United, first game uyakora uyashayina, and now with Stellenbosch. So sometimes learn from the likes of Lifatso Tsudupa. Uzihlalele kuMoroka Swallows, retired Morocco Swallows legend, as good as he was, udlalile nje kahle lapha kuMoroka Swallows, and then he shined and he thrived. Do you think Mpopo will shine with Orlando Pirates first team? As I saw a clip, a post Michael Morton, Begabuzisa player Pirates, which players are they looking forward to seeing this season? A lot of them mentioned Popo. That's including Ozio Napolis. So if the players believe in him, what more the coach? If I'm a player that spend time with him, Abachimanai, that are there with him all the time, Bona, they believe in him. What more the coach? So I think Mina he will do well. I just really do hope to up the slam or amope enough time. I'm tetele lomfana adlale the football that he knows, and he's a very entertaining player. Yeah, I think also it would be, if I'm being honest with you, Uban, I like this question. King, well, it's more of a comment. But still, Chiefs won't win anything again. Remember, there's KF League, MTN 8, NetBank. Well, the guy's a Chiefs coach, and he promised at least one trophy. And then a few weeks after Gonzalez's statement, Kaizer Chiefs is not ready. So I think when he got there, he was optimistic. Until I won't win anything. But shout out to the management for Gumzamela Pili Nabo Matlwele Nabo Banban. To Kaizer Chiefs fans, let's just let the coach do his job. Without ukuthi winale sizobona phambili. Anything is possible after all in football. If Durban City ikwazile ukuthi wine Nedbank Cup, Keswick Stars ikwazile ukuthi idle Orlando Pirates, anything is possible. But I also don't see Kaizer Chiefs winning anything this season, but I see them competing and they could finish top 3 again.